back at it again with another video. This is the first of maybe two to five. I don't know exactly how many, but this is a video I found while going through my feed. It's by TJ Got No Jokes. I don't know if he's saying that because he's not funny or trying to be ironic because he probably is funny. I don't know. But I'm reacting to Dave Chappelle Man Rape and how old 15 is really. I've seen this Man Rape one, but that was like maybe almost a year ago. I haven't watched it since. I forget exactly what it's about. And how old is 15 really? This should be funny because it's Dave Chappelle. It may be a little fucked up though, but we don't care. It's Dave Chappelle. He's funny. We don't care. He's a black funny man. We don't care. He can say fucked up shit. He's a black funny man. He can say fucked up things.
If you like this video, you're gonna need to subscribe. And this is how grown ass men talk. Alright?
That's a little weird. Not judging him, but was that necessary? Didn't find a more normal, less creepy, job the hell ass way to do it. Alright, let's go back to it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy TJ Got No Jokes, and right now we're about to react to another reaction video. This one's Dave Chappelle.
He look my age. He looks 16, 17.
Or on man rape. Something about getting raped. That word just scares the shit out of me, bro. Getting raped is no problem. That shit's no joke. But I just want to say I apologize to anybody because I haven't posted in like 4 days because I was working and I literally just got another job, so I'm literally on this work grind. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop doing these reaction videos.
I'm not saying that he's on about doing it. He just looks more on.
That's just who I am. I don't stop being drunk.
Is he on cocaine?
Yeah, man. Shit, I always forget to bring on my freaking headphones, bro, because these are like my golden lights, bro. But these are his older clips. I have not watched his old clips of him doing stand-up. His specials I've watched, but I have not watched his old clips. Like, there's like series of old clips. I thought I'd get off the music, diss for a while, because niggas was going in about me in the chat. So I was like, I'm gonna just hop off it for a couple of days and then get back onto it. But I'll just go into something I'm more strong in for right now until I go back into the music. Y'all, this was really dissing your boy. But if you have any other reaction videos of comedy or anything like that, tweet me at Twitter. My Twitter is down below. It'll pop up like somewhere right here. And yeah, man, let's get into it. Come on, Dave. Show what rape is about.
Yeah, it's good that he said that. Because I was about to say, hold on now. No. Don't show them what rape is about. No. Like, you don't say, Dave, show them what rape is about. Because that kind of implies you're going to show how to rape someone. Or that you enjoy people being raped. I'm just saying, he should have phrased that better. But he did put pause though, so we're gonna give him a pass. We're gonna give him a pass because he said pause.
I can see the truth. There's an animal inside each and every one of you.
That's true.
Spirit animal. Shit is real. Listen, I was looking at the paper the other day. I'm not making this up. There's a serial rapist in Houston. There's nothing funny about serial rape, but what is noteworthy about this particular rapist is that all of his victims have been men. Enjoy your evening.
Why are they clapping?
You clapped about that.
Exactly.
It's a man raping men in Houston. That's the most gangster shit. So far,
he said gangster.
Like 7 men have already come
shit.
forward in the Houston area and reported this motherfucker, which means he must have raped thousands.
Yep.
That's a tough phone call for us to make.
I would not make that phone call. I'm telling my girlfriend about, but that's it. I would not tell no one else.
Society don't give a fuck about male rape. There's no hotline for us.
Nah.
Man get raped, you just gotta get up and walk that shit off. Got raped. Call me slipping.
Hell no, bro.
To walk it off. That shit was that quick, my nigga. Oh no. No, we gotta check out one more freaking reaction. We gonna go to another one. Give me a second. Nah.
I'm asleep.
All our stars. All our stars, man. R. Kelly pissed on his victim. I know, it was rough. But I mean, again, I can't even judge R. Kelly. First of all, we don't know if these allegations are true, and not even if they are true. If you want to know how I feel about it honestly, if a man cannot pee on his fans, I don't want to be in show business anymore. Well, that's why I got in the game, baby. I got dreams, too.
This nigga. This nigga.
You guys are confusing the issue. While you guys are busy worrying about if R. Kelly even peed on this girl or not, you're not asking yourself the real question that America needs to decide once and for all. And that question is, how old is 15 really?
What does that even mean? It sounds funny, but what does he really mean by that?
That's a good question. I'm not saying that a person is as smart as they're going to be at 15. That's not what I'm saying, man. But I am saying 15 to me is old enough to decide whether or not you want to be pissed on. I mean, that's me. You can't make a decision like that by the time you're 15. And just give up, motherfucker, because life is way harder than that.
Yep.
I make tougher decisions all the time. If you don't want to get pissed on, just get the fuck out of the way. It's not even a decision. If I start peeing on the front row, they're not going to have to calculate and think, oh, how do I feel about this? Am I okay?
Calculate.
How do I feel about this? Am I
Nigga,
okay
this is
with
not
it?
algebra.
At 15, I
This ain't calculus.
I've been 15. When I was 15, I was doing stand-up in nightclubs. I smoked reefer from time to time. Friends were selling crack. I was trying to finger fuck people. I knew what was happening around me to some degree. Getting pissed on was the least of my worries.
I agree with the last one.
Trust me.
I agree with the first one and the last one, not the second
But it
and
keeps
third.
coming up. There's a lot of confusion around that age. Anytime 15 comes up, people freak out. Like when that girl, Elizabeth Smart, got kidnapped. Right? Remember in Utah last year's 15-year-old girl, Elizabeth Smart, was kidnapped. And then they finally found her, and the whole country was relieved. And I was the only one saying, damn, she wasn't that smart after all. Now, because she got kidnapped, that could happen to anybody. I'm not knocking her for that.
Yeah,
I'm just saying, if you kidnapped me when I was 15, you got to take me further than 8 miles away from my house, man. God damn. You can't hold me prisoner around shit I recognize. Break away. I'll break away.
Because, like, I was thinking, like, why is he talking about her getting kidnapped and saying she's not smart? Like, I know it's enough because she got... But then I thought, like, hold up. Wait a second. She got kidnapped. Then he said they only took her 8 miles from her house. How you gonna kidnap someone and take them only 8 miles from their house? Like, I either get a ride everywhere, excuse me, or I walk. So, and I live in Chicago, so I basically know the city for, like, my house to, like, probably at least 20 miles. And even if I don't, then nigga, there's always libraries so I can use Google Maps. There's always libraries so I can use Google Maps or ask someone to use their phone when I escape and walk my behind back here. And it won't take me that long. Because it takes me like 20 minutes to walk a mile. So maybe 2 hours and 40 minutes to walk back here. So if you going to take me 8 miles from my house, or 20 at most, I can still find my way back. Especially if you dumb enough to leave the keys to the car somewhere. I can take your car and drive back here. What are you talking about? Like, that makes no sense, bro. Like, people, they just retarded, bro.
Off me, nigga. That's my bus stop. I know where I'm at.
Come on, nigga. That's my bus stop, nigga.
She was missing for 6 months, 8 miles away from my house. That's 2.
6 months? Really? 6 months? This bitch didn't think to look out the window to see where she was at? Well, with all due respect, she probably was tied up and could look out the window. So I can't get mad at her. If she was tied up, I can't get mad at her. I can't get mad at her if she was tied up. She
and
can't
while
do
she
anything.
was
She's
missing,
tied up.
during this half a year that this girl is missing, there's a 7-year-old black girl gets kidnapped in Philadelphia. Nobody knows her name. They might have talked about her 2 or 3 times on the news, but she should have been the top story. Because she chewed through the ropes and had both of these motherfuckers in jail in 45 minutes flat. 7 years old. I'm not making this up.
Okay, I see it.
These 2 crackheads kidnapped her and took her back to the crack house and tied her up. And then they left her. The crackheads, they gotta make moves. Crack, smoke, chocolate to eat. These motherfuckers made moves. It was out. But as soon as they left, this little girl got the nip on. She was kidnapped at 4 o'clock and at home watching herself on the news at 5:30. That shit is crazy. That's a news story. That is a news story.
Goodbye.
Ma'am.
That's my little brother.
Meanwhile, in Utah,
creep for no reason.
15-year-old Elizabeth Smart's captors left
know
her
better.
alone too, and they didn't even tie
That's
her
how I
up
had to
because
do
they're
it.
hillbillies. They just bounced.
Dirt, man.
Don't try to escape, bitch, or we'll kill you. Be right
Go
back.
away, boy.
They leave. She's 15,
No
sitting in the house
candy.
by herself. How am I gonna get out of this? Come on, Elizabeth, think. Think, Elizabeth, how am I gonna get out of here? Too, and they didn't even tie her up because they're hillbillies.
This bitch is just fucking retarded. Like, they didn't even tie her up. Like, she could have gone through the door, bro. Like, real talk.
They just bounced. Don't try to escape, bitch, or we'll kill you. Be right back. They leave. She's 15, sitting in the house by herself. How am I gonna get out of this? Come on, Elizabeth, think. Think, Elizabeth, how am I gonna get out of here? Why don't you just open the fucking door and go outside? Have you thought about that? Do you have a quarter? Do you know your phone number? You're 15, bitch, run! Stop thinking and stop making moves!
Them other beats.
I know I sound mean, and I know what the people are thinking when I'm saying this. Dave, she is only 15. All right, but that's the discrepancy, because when you talk about a little girl like Elizabeth Smart, then the country feels like 15 is so young and so innocent. On the flip side, here comes 15 again. Now we're talking about a 15-year-old black kid in Florida. This black kid accidentally killed his neighbor when he's practicing wrestling moves that he saw on TV. Now, was he a kid? No. They gave him life. They always try our 15-year-olds as adults. The snigger knew what he was doing. It's a goddamn pile driver. This kid gets on the ropes, there's no stopping him. We'd have to send the Rock to arrest him. And they gave a 15-year-old boy life in jail. If you think that it's okay to give him life in jail, then it should be legal to pee on him. That's all I'm saying. You got to make up your mind across the board how old 15 actually is. That's all I'm saying. Because I'm going to tell you right now, if somebody comes in here and puts a gun in my head and says, Chappelle, you got a choice to make. You're either going to jail for a month or we'll let you go, but you got to let R. Kelly pee on you.
R. Kelly.
I'm not hesitating. Bring in R. Kelly and tell him to stay away from my ass.
Yep. Same here.
Oh, shit.
That is real. I'm not going to jail for no amount of time. None. Bring in R. Kelly. He can pee on my chest. It's huge pause. Very huge no homo on that. Because those were the options Chappelle said. You already know. That was my brother again. You already know what it is. Drop a like on the video. Comment the next reaction or next challenge I should do. And comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video everywhere. Share where you share anything that's funny. This boy is just weird. Okay, never mind. Like I said, drop a like on the video, comment, share, subscribe, share the video wherever you share funny videos. Hit the notification bell. We out. Get us.